Hey guys, this is Twisted Out of Detail. I'll be taking it step by step through this. That's why there's no music. This is a Toyota Sienna van, family owned. It is completely demolished. If you just look here, the seats have a certain grease to them. It's really nasty. The floors have just a lot of grime, a lot of debris was in these floors. When I was doing my dry scrubs to help loosen the fibers, it got really dusty really fast. On top of that, they had a lot of areas that needed some great amount of TLC. These floors right here, dark brown, just like the seats, like I said, really tacky, but that's like a syrup soda spill on it. Car parts, thermoses, just a lot of loose debris, paper towels. There was even diapers in here, unused, thank goodness, because we do charge hazmat for stuff like that. Apples, and just like random amount of stuff. And face masks, obviously, for the way the world is right now. And looking deep, these seats were not treated well. The leather was basically on its way out. I would say in the next 2-3 years, these seats would look like they escaped from an insane asylum. They'd be just busted, cut up. And with that being said, all this dark brown stuff that almost looks like it's going towards black is a type of like almost like sugar product. Took nine gallons to get the color in my shampooer back to clear, and I did do another 3-gallon rinse through on the vehicle to make sure that I didn't miss any spots. I do have a clear handle by Mighty, the Mighty company that does these shampooers, just so I can see if I have any pretty heavy soiled areas. This is the end result. It smells refreshed. And pause on that note, I had to, when I took the seats out, all of these little notches you see here where the seat hooks in were filled with just nasty debris, sticky residue, to where I had to steam it out with a chemical to make sure that it's not bacterial, and then get it scrubbed out. Did it to the back seats. There was actually broken glass back there. It was totally crazy, but now it's shampooed. Now it smells refreshed. When the customer came, it was like a totally different car. They were super happy. They enjoyed the smell that was there presently over the smell that they had to install in their car with those scented oils that go through the vents. And as you get hit it with air or even hot air, it just floods the area with this sea breeze smell or whatever smell you decide to choose. Finished result, the seats look shiny, but they actually look more plush, just like your skin. It will look soft, but when you actually go to touch it, it will actually feel softer than it did before. Walk the customer through how to actually take these out and install the seats. They didn't actually know how. They did not know how to remove the center console. Showed them that. And here we are at the end of the story. This is the water. This is at 6 gallons of water. So my first three was actually, the first 3 gallons were darker than this, and it was truly crazy. Like, subscribe, comment, and let's see what happens next.